Hello, welcome community. This is Anne-Marie, and I thought I would try and start doing some more community posts on a Sunday afternoon. And I started, my first community post was who I was. I'm Anne-Marie. I'm a early retired school teacher, school librarian, seamstress mom, divorcee, caregiver. And this is the channel I created so many years ago, but it's only recently that my playlist about pastimes in paradise has garnered interest and that so many people have started to follow. So the first one of these posts that I did was who I was. And then this one today is what I am and why what I am. I don't think I even got to why yet. I was going to do who, what, where, when, and how, and sometimes why, because I used to teach writing. Now, um, what I'm doing is I wanted to create a place where fellow makers could see the things I made, communicate the stuff they made, maybe teach a little, maybe commiserate a little with people who are in this stage of their life where they're retired or soon to be retired or just starting off, just maybe to impart some wisdom. I have been retired for 3 years now. I moved here in 2019, just before half a year before the pandemic. I came here to take care of my parents, and subsequently, 2 weeks and 2 days after I got here, my mother passed away. So it's just been me and my dad and various family that has flowed in and flowed out, and my youngest daughter who's came to stay with me quite a bit during the pandemic. So what this channel is about is just sharing and enjoying the makes. I recently did, if you saw it, unfinished objects, and I counted 93. And I think I wanted to explain why that doesn't disturb me and why that's what this channel is all about. I don't ever intend to be able to finish all of them. I've already left instruction for my children that should anything happen to me, that they don't have to carry on holding on to all my projects. It's almost like a never-ending bucket. I get new ideas that I'm attracted to that I work on, and then I also every month visit past ideas that I have. The creating is part of the exercise. It's the whole point. It's the joy. In the creation time, coming together, putting matching fabrics um, to patterns, to trims, to ideas. That's the joy, and that's why I do it. So I don't have anything attached to it that makes it less than difficult. I don't have any anxiety. If I finish 5 things, wonderful. If I finish 25 things, wonderful. It is just an expression of my creativity. It's my joy. I keep it within my budget, and then I get to give it to people. I don't do it on demand. I don't feel any anxiety when I don't finish everything. Actually, I'm kind of delighted when I finish everything and then have a little bit more time. I don't think that's going to happen this month. But I hope that you understand what this channel is all about. I have had such a good time responding to the comments. My brother's a big time YouTuber, so he's been trying to get me to do these kind of things for years. And he's like, you've got to fill out your community tabs so that your people know. And that's what I'm doing. Alrighty. Um, I think next week is my sew along. I got a couple hauls, but I think I put them all together. And then, of course, there's going to be the final makes for the month. So basically, I try and do every month a plan. I try and do a sew along. I try and do a make, and then one video is just something that occurs to me. I'm really enjoying it. And thank you for supporting me. The channel has grown from 80 something people that I started how many years ago when I used to use the channel to help teach things or provide things that I didn't have time to teach in the classroom to almost 800 people. And I got to thank y'all for that. So keep making, and I will try and do these community, uh, contribute to the community tab every Sunday. You take care. See you next week.